Come on, window. Oh boy. Oh, it's gonna work. Oh boy. Oh.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Brailsford Rides for another Foxbody update / Foxtoberfest update. Before we get into it, if you guys wouldn't mind, click that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. But let's go ahead and dive right into this. So, as you guys know, just recently we made the decision that we're going to Foxtoberfest. I've been having some hang-ups. Number one, U-Haul, the place that I was renting from, told me I drove by there to visit because my date for the scheduling of my trailer got pushed to the day before. And so I went there to see what's going on, and they told me, hey, we don't rent trailers. So that's red flag number one. But I might have a buddy here locally who might be renting me out a trailer, so we'll be safe either way, and we'll still be able to get the Fox there. So hopefully that's good to go. We'll be going over to his house hopefully tomorrow to finish up the sway bar end links and the sway bar bushings and get this thing safe so there's no more kind of wobble in the steering. I think it's the last piece I need to touch up to get this thing safe and to go take it for an alignment and make it good to go. The other thing I got to show you guys is so when I bought the car, the back window had caved in. Hurricane Florence had really ravaged this thing, and so we're going to kind of clean up from that a little bit to get it a little more ready, a little more I guess safe from the elements, and to clean it in general. So we got a carpet cleaner. We're gonna vacuum out the inside, use the carpet cleaner, see how clean we can get that carpet that has not been cleaned since I got the car. Kind of interested to see what kind of dirt we pull up. We're gonna do that, I think, just right now. But first, I gotta show you guys something. The back window, like I said, was blown in. So in order to prevent my kids from getting wet and kind of try to weatherproof this car, we're trying to patch up everything we could. So previously, I did patch up the top here with some flex tape, but we went about a different way we did something else to fix the back. Let's go take a look at that real quick. All right, so I don't know how well you guys can see this, but I took the original window, it's right here, and it is free floating except for being held on by a metric buttload of Gorilla tape. And we used it and we patched it up as best we could. We still have to fold test it and put the top down and see how it collapses in and if it works the same, if it's good to go. So we're gonna try that and see if hopefully the tape won't rip off. And then the next test is gonna be to do some highway driving with it, because I might actually have to drive to the show with the top up. Hopefully not. I'm hoping for nice weather, because when the weather's nice, we've got a gorgeous tonneau cover that covers this all, and it just looks great, and that way nobody will see this. But this is just a temporary thing that would protect my kids, as you can see the car seat in there, from getting soaked in the rain. We got to take care of the kids for sure. So also, when we put that top up, we're going to go ahead and clean out the inside. Like we said, we'll test the folding of the window, make sure it actually claps back right. But we're also going to install this Ford Motorsport decal. Initially, I wanted gray to kind of go with the silver, but they were sold out, so I went with this red because the interior is red. I'm hoping that it'll kind of match up a little bit. Looks like the bottom color here on the Motorsport will match. So we're going to give it a shot and see what it looks like. I think it'll look good. We're just going to throw it up there, and some kind of retro, I love the retro logo for sure. But let's go ahead and put this top down real quick and see how it works. All right, put the key in, keys in, unlatch the hood, unlatch the cover, and let's put her back. Oh yeah. Let's make sure that's out of the way. Kid seat. Let's put that down. Man, come on, window. Oh boy. Oh, it's gonna work. Oh boy. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Guys, that did not work. Oh boy. That was a bad plan. So that was what we don't do. Oh my God. So So we're gonna get a vacuum and we're gonna clean that up real quick. Oh dear God. That's bad. That's a lot of glass. Oops. That was a big mistake. The top does not work, guys, if you put it down. I crushed it because I'm guessing that this was supposed to collapse down a little better and it's a little too rigid and it just broke it. So yeah, that was a bad plan. So now I gotta remove all this and reinstall something new. But let's see what we can clean up here. Oh, this is bad. Well, at least I'm cleaning the top, so if I actually just tape over the whole thing, which is probably my next course of action, just use the Gorilla Tape and cover the whole thing. Well, that was bad, guys. Very bad. Definitely not one of my better moments. So I'm gonna clean this up, guys, and we'll come back in a second. Well, the damage is done. Let's just get it open. That was a very stupid idea. I mean, it seemed like a good idea, but it was a bad idea. But we're gonna go ahead and vacuum this car out. But first, yeah, you guys saw me blow up that back window. I just vacuumed it up, cleaned it up. I can't believe I screwed that up. But we're gonna go ahead and install this Ford Motorsport decal. And then we're gonna carpet clean the car. All right, let's go ahead and throw this new decal on. Oh, I like it so far. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that definitely matches. I love it. I like it a lot. As you can see, it kind of matches the interior. Yeah, it's a good one for sure. Pretty good at centering it, I think too. That's pretty good. What do you guys think? Let me know down below.
Alright, let's see how much comes out of this carpet. I'll soak it first. I'll scrub it a bit. I just want you guys to see it before, and I'm going to do an after.
Alright, so we used the carpet cleaner. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but the carpet's definitely a lot cleaner on this side. That side, the previous owner had some screws out, and you can see the rust marks in the carpet. We were able to get a lot of the rust up, but a lot of the stains are just there, and they're never going to come out. So at some point, this car is going to need a new carpet. I'll be looking out for that at some point, but it's not a #1 priority. We also used the cleaner on the floor mats, and these are now really clean, looking good, letting them dry off, and then we'll put them back in the Fox. I'm very happy with the banner. Obviously, this is like one of the worst days I've ever had. I was not expecting that top to explode. As you guys saw, that was a pretty genuine reaction there. We're gonna go to a plan B. We're gonna stick with the Gorilla Tape. It works well, but we're gonna get some translucent plastic, and we'll just make a plastic window. Again, this is a temporary top, guys. I just need it to be waterproof when we go to Foxtoberfest to kind of keep me and my kids dry, and then we'll worry about, replacing it in the near future. But before we go, guys, let me show you guys a couple other things we got coming up on the channel. As you saw, we just did a Sequoia video. I got some new sway bar end links. They need to go on the car. I may or may not do a video on that. Also had a company, and I will be doing a video on this one. Another company reached out to me with some LED lights. They wanted me to do them on the Boss. However, I just did one on the Boss, so we're gonna do some on the Sequoia. Upgrade older SUV headlights, and I'm excited about that one. And another video I'm very excited about is from our newest sponsor, Striker Lights. They sent us some of their RGB side markers. These are the programmable side markers. We're going to do an install video on these, and we're going to run them on the Boss and see how they look. I'm very interested to see it because I was told that they can look stock, and you can kind of set them up however you want. So we're gonna do a video. We're gonna see if they're nice or rice. You guys tell me down below what you think. But that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed that video, enjoyed my peril demise, click that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Share this out. Help this video get some traction because it helps the car, helps us grow with the car, helps the build. And my boys, we're trying to get to work on the 302. We're slowly acquiring parts for it, and eventually here we'll send it to the machine shop, get that bolt hole re-welded, and we'll start bolting that thing together, and we'll have a HO motor for the Fox finally. I appreciate all you guys tuning in, watching our content. You guys could be watching anything else, and you chose to be here, so I can't thank you enough. To all my loyal subscribers and new viewers, welcome. We hope you click that subscribe button, but if not, thanks for watching. But that's all I got, guys. Stay blessed. Take care.
Look at the blue eyes. See the fox. Look at that fox, my baby. It's a quail. Look at the blue camper.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control, and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.